let's get straight into it. Bath and Body Works is doing their Try It to Believe It sale. They do this sale once every season, and this time it was on all of the fine fragrance mists for $4.95. That's a really good sale. And if you had that 20% coupon, you got them for $4 a piece. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. So leave down in the comments, let me know, what did you pick up on this sale? I didn't pick up a lot. One, I didn't have a coupon, which really didn't matter because of the price point was really good. I usually go for candles. I normally wait until semi-annual sale to purchase all of my body care items, but at this price, it's really a good price, y'all. It really is. So again, leave down in the comments, let me know, what did you pick up on this Try It to Believe It sale? Now y'all know I love aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is probably like my #2 thing at Bath and Body Works, you know, because I love the candles. But this collection right here, I've been waiting for this collection. This Cocoa Shea collection. Oh my goodness. And I almost missed it because they had it tucked in the corner. You know, they had it in 2 locations, but I must have just looked over it. I don't know. I am super excited to see this collection finally coming back. One thing I'm not excited about is the price point. Most items in this collection range from $18 all the way up to $21. So if you're like me, you know, I never pay full price, so I have to wait for a sale. And when are they gonna have a sale? Who knows, because the wellness collection hardly ever go on sale. So I'm crossing my fingers. Hopefully Bath and Body Works, to anybody who's listening, Bath and Body Works, please give us an aromatherapy sale. Oh my goodness, because I need just about every part of this collection. Now, this sensitive skin collection, it's kind of a pass for me. Let me say that. It's a pass for me because I like scent with my stuff. I love this packaging. Don't get me wrong. I love this packaging. But if I'm gonna spend the money, I'd rather have the Cocoa Shea because of that cocoa butter scent, or the water collection because of that fresh scent. I love both of those collections. Now, if they completely sell out of everything, then yes, I will get the sensitive skin collection or part of this collection. But if you have sensitive skin, I highly recommend the sensitive skin collection because it's soft, it's creamy, it's gentle. It does everything that the other collection does, but it's just on the sensitive side. So yes, I am super excited for this collection. Please, Bath and Body Works, anybody that's working for Bath and Body Works, if you see my video, please give us a sale on this collection. Please lower the price a little bit too. I'm just saying, I'm just asking, just for the little small things. Lower the price and give us more sales on aromatherapy. That's all. And I did try this collection, y'all. I did sample some of the stuff. It's still creamy. It still smells good. It's still great. It's still amazing. And I cannot wait to get my hands on it. Leave down in the comments, have you picked up any of these items from this Cocoa Shea water collection and sensitive skin collection? Leave that down in the comments. What did you get, or are you waiting like I'm waiting? Leave that down in the comments. Got my bags. One is a BOPUS pickup, and then the other one is the $4.95 sale. Check this out so I don't feel like I'm screaming. The $4.95 fine fragrance sale. I guess we could kind of start with the BOPUS order. This is the soap sale and the hand sanitizer spray sale.
So I need my glasses on, to be honest. I'm struggling today. But yeah, spellbinding sweets, which is supposed to be like candy. It's supposed to have like a candy scent. So I did get this one because I'm using one hand. I can't open it to smell it, even though I really, really want to. And then the next one is Chasing Fireflies soap. I really wanted this. I absolutely love this scent. This scent is so good to me, and I understand it's not some people's favorite. Some people just don't like it. I read in my comments that some people didn't like Fairy Tale, but they like this one. So if you didn't like Fairy Tale, you might like this one. If you don't like that fruity scent and you love more of a floral scent, you'll like this one. This is more of a powdery floral, like a soft floral. So yeah, I grabbed that one. And then need some lip gloss on, girl. And then I grabbed this one, is Golden Citrus and Vanilla. I wanted this one because I got a feeling this is gonna be like that bright. We had a candle called Bright something, Bright Citrus something, and it never came back, and it was so good. So I'm thinking this is gonna smell like that. I don't know. When I get home, I'm most definitely gonna smell these. And then I got 2 hand sanitizers, the spray hand sanitizer, and I just got them in the Chasing Fireflies. Yep. So yeah, that's the BOPUS order. BOPUS. $4.95 fine fragrance mist. I grabbed 2 items free with rewards and aromatherapy, of course. This one is chamomile and patchouli, however you pronounce it. Patchouli. So yes, chamomile and patchouli. I love this little like copper or whatever color that is. I like that. I like the way this one looks. And I'm not really a big purple fan, but I like it. And this one is Rose and Magnolia. Yes, Rose and Magnolia. I got a feeling this is going to be really good. I'm super excited to try this one. And I can't set my camera on top of the dash because then it'll run hot. So that's the reason why I'm holding it. Hopefully it don't get hot now. Chasing Fireflies. I keep on telling y'all I love it, and I'm going to try to get backups, and I'm going to try to get it in everything. So yeah, that's why I grabbed that one. It's a good time to grab it if you want to try it. Then I got Together Weather. This one is new. What's the scent notes? Blushing Breeze, cardamom, and cedar. Y'all, I need my glasses, so I'm sorry if, you know, I need my glasses. So yeah, that's what this is. And then the last one I got, and I told y'all I was gonna get this ivory cashmere. This ivory cashmere. I don't know why it's so hard for me to say that. I want to say ivy, but it's ivory cashmere. Had to get a backup of this because when it first came out, I only grabbed one, and I kept on trying to get it, and it sold out. So I'm so happy they brought this back. I love this. It's just a soft scent that I feel like goes with everything. I hope y'all can hear me because this air is going, but I do have this little wind thing on my camera. So it's musk and amber basically, because air, I don't know. So musk and amber. This is a scent that could go with a number of things. You could pair this with just about anything, and that's the reason why I really like it. Super soft scent. I love this. Okay, yeah, I had to change the battery. So since I had to change the battery, I decided to spray some of this Together Weather so I could smell it. And my first initial scent, the first note I get is, and I put some lip gloss on, y'all. But anyway, my first the first scent or the first note that I smell is cinnamon. That's the first thing I smell. And I don't even know if cinnamon is in it. Oh, I need some glasses on. Oh, maybe that's that cardamom that I'm smelling. It's actually nice. I actually like it, y'all. I actually like it. I didn't think I would like it because I thought it was going to be like berries, but this is not bad. It's not bad. I think I like it. Yeah, it's not bad. And I thought that was cinnamon, but I guess that's that cardamom and the cedar wood blended together is probably giving it that bark, sweet bark type of scent. It's not bad. It's not bad. And I also sprayed the rose and magnolia. This ain't bad either. This is a winner. I got two. Well, this whole thing was a winner. My whole haul, I'm not mad. I'm not mad, y'all. I'm digging everything. I am not mad at the situation. Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need some backups. I'm gonna need some backups. I like this. This is good. This is good. So yeah, y'all. Again, like I said earlier before my camera died, leave down in the comment, what did you get? What was the top item on your list? My top items most definitely was the Chasing Fireflies, and I knew I wanted to get these two new aromatherapies. Wanted to get these two. This one as well as that other one, that patchouli one. Wanted to get both of those. So yeah, guys, leave down in the comments. Let me know, what did you get on any of the sales that they had this week? Leave that down in the comments. I think this fine fragrance sale is gonna go until Sunday, I think. So yes, leave down in the comments, what did you buy? Your top item that you were chasing. My top item most definitely is the Chasing Fireflies. Love it. Subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments. Shout out to all my MVP riders. Thank you for holding me down. Thank you for watching any and everything that I post. I truly appreciate you. And I'll see y'all in the next one, because I got to get in this traffic and head home. So I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.